Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2019 Nissan Qashqai N-Connecta. This car comes with a 1.3 petrol turbo engine and the automatic gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 158 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 40 miles to the gallon. This is a one owner vehicle with a very low mileage of just over 6,000 miles and comes with full service history. This particular colour is called the Gun Metallic and looks in great condition for the age and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got a nice clean interior. On the Qashqai, the seats are really comfy and supportive, and there's a big armrest and two cup holders there in the centre for the front passengers. And then onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, satellite navigation, DAB radio, and then Bluetooth. And then a few other features I can mention. The car also has cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, as well as automatic headlights and wipers and climate control just down there. And finally, on the driver's door card, you have your electric folding mirror and full window controls. On this particular model as well, you've also got the full length glass roof, so that lets in plenty of light. The Qashqai is a great car for the family, so nice wide rear door opening, lots of legroom and headroom there in the back, ideal if you're getting children in and out of car seats, for example. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and rear passengers also have 2 charging ports in the centre there as well. Opening the tailgate reveals a good sized boot there, which goes back a good way, with the rear seats that can be split and the parcel shelf that's still in place. You also have the adjustable floor, which you can remove or lower completely to increase the volume, and below that you've also got some extra storage as well as your tyre inflator kit. Externally, the car comes with LED daytime running lights, front and rear parking sensors, the diamond cut alloy wheels, and also 360-degree parking cameras. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind. And you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So, if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.